Hey everyone! Today I'm checking out the Gawfolk 27-inch 180Hz curved gaming monitor and trying to answer a simple question. Is it actually worth your money? Right out of the box, the curved design looks sleek and surprisingly premium for the price. The 20-inch size feels like a sweet spot for both competitive gaming and everyday use. The 180Hz refresh rate is definitely the highlight here. Everything feels smooth, especially in fast-paced shooters and racing games. Now, it's not perfect. The color accuracy is decent, but not top tier, so creators might notice some limitations. The stand is also pretty basic, but VESA mounting helps fix that. For casual and competitive gamers on a budget, this monitor really delivers where it matters most: speed and immersion. So would I recommend it? If you want high refresh gaming without breaking the bank, yes, it's absolutely worth considering.